Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy a Steam gift card code using your Amazon gift card balance. This is a super convenient way to add funds to your Steam wallet without needing a credit card, and it's perfect if you've been holding on to Amazon gift card credit that you want to use for gaming. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll type in Steam gift card to pull up all the available options. Hit enter and Amazon will display a variety of Steam gift card listings for you to browse through. Take a moment to look through the results and click on the Steam gift card option that best fits what you're looking for, whether that's a specific denomination or a particular seller. Once you've clicked on your preferred card, you'll be taken to the product page where you can see all the details about the gift card. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a Buy Now button. Click on it to move directly to the checkout process. This skips adding the item to your cart and takes you straight to purchasing, which saves you a step and speeds things up. Now here's the important part. You need to select your payment method. Look for the option to use your Amazon gift card balance. If you haven't already applied your Amazon gift card to your account, you'll see a box labeled Enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. Type your Amazon gift card code into that box and click Apply. This will add the balance to your account and allow you to use it for this purchase. Once your Amazon gift card balance is selected as the payment method, you're ready to finalize the transaction. Click Place Your Order or continue to complete your purchase. Amazon will process the order, and within a few moments, you should receive your Steam wallet code. This code might be delivered via email or displayed directly on the order confirmation page, so keep an eye out for it. Now that you have your Steam wallet code, it's time to redeem it. Open the Steam app on your device and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on Games. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. This will open a new window where you can enter your code. Type your Steam Wallet code into the designated area, making sure you enter it exactly as it appears. After you've entered the code, click Continue. Steam will verify the code and add the funds to your wallet balance, which you can then use to purchase games, downloadable content, or anything else available on the Steam store. And that's it. You've successfully used your Amazon gift card to purchase a Steam gift card and added those funds to your Steam wallet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.